Hi everyone, welcome to the Stickier side of crafting collaboration, where each month on the 27th of the month at noon Eastern, a group of us post projects using some of our sticker stash up. I am starting not to like my stickers, and I have a ton of them, and they all I don't know, they just aren't wowing me. So anyway, I pulled out 2 sheets of these, but I only used one of them, and that would be this one. And there might have been, just like this one has 2 missing, I think there were 2 missing off this one. And this one, the little antennae would not come off. These were from Hobby Lobby. Flower and butterfly glitter, 18 pieces. Then a while back, not a month or so ago, I had used this, it was like 3 layers of stickers, and the only thing I had left was the alphas. I used the H and the I on one card, and then I used several of these Friends Subway art and Friends phrases. I don't know when I put them back if they're in the right ones or not, but you get the idea. This one has some color in it, and this one is clear with just black. So I used those. I was originally going to stamp, and I thought, you know what, I have these sentiments in my sticker collection, let's just try and use them. They don't really lend themselves to cards in my opinion, but I used them anyway. Then I also did use Stampin' Up! Colors, Polished Pink, and this is the designer paper 2021 to 2023 in color 6x6 designer series paper, but that's kind of misleading because the designs usually only last 1 year, so 21 to 22. But these are the new in colors, and I only used Polished Pink and Soft Succulent, but I used several designs in each one of those. So let me show you my 7 cards I made. They're all a little different. This is on basic white card base. I did not do anything to any of the inside, so I'm not going to open them up. So this was 2 of the stickers right here, this little one and this bigger one, and the butterfly, so that's 3 plus the hive from that other set. So I ran this through an embossing folder called Ornate Floral. I ran it through the Ornate Floral embossing folder, just glued this down, and this I used the Lovely Labels Pick-a-Punch, the flatter one, on a piece of basic white, about 1 inch, and I just put the stickers down, and then these are some of the in-color gems in Soft Succulent. And like I said, the insides, there's nothing done to the insides. So this one's on a Soft Succulent base. I'm using things I had already pre-cut, with the exception of the designer paper. So the designer paper here is cut 5 1/4 by 4. This was one of the clear with black stickers. I put it on a piece of white, basic white cardstock, and I just put 2 butterflies down, and these are actually pale papaya from those in color gems, and this is Soft Succulent just done in a fake bow. I think that came out pretty. A friend is someone who strengthens you with prayers, blesses you with love, and encourages you with hope. Okay, then this one, this is 1 big flower from that sheet and 2 butterflies. Now this butterfly actually tore in half, and that's the one I couldn't get the little antennae out, but I'm using it anyway. This is Soft Succulent ribbon from the annual catalog. The same series of designer paper here, but this time it's on a basic white A2 card base. And then this die is from the Hippo and Friends dies, the largest of that shape die. And that's about it on that one. And then this one is also on basic white. Here I used the 4 1/4 by 5 designer paper. I put a strip of Soft Succulent down, and I framed it really with the Polished Pink ribbon to bring out the pinks in the flowers and things, and to make it pop a little bit. And then this one didn't really get on here right. Some of these, if you don't get them on exactly right, you get bubbles in them, and that's what happened to me here. But this says friends like you are few and far between, and that's bumped up on dimensionals. And one evening evergreen, actually, gem. Yeah. Back to the pink. I made this paper go this way on purpose, but I didn't want pink ribbon on it. It was too much. And here I put a sticker on the polished pink cardstock. Friends or family you choose for yourself. So we have the two friends. And some soft succulent ribbon. I might have already said that. And these stickers are, I forgot to mention that they are, the butterflies and the flowers are kind of glittery. They're really pretty. I had plans to do, I don't know, something different, but here I am with cards again. Okay, this one, this I ran through, and I kind of did it a little weird, because I ran it through, this is in the new upcoming mini catalog, August 3rd. It's the Time Worn Type 3D embossing folder. When it goes live, it's part of the Harvest Meadow suite. Anyway, I'm really liking this one. It sort of has some worn type, but I don't know if you can tell, it kind of goes this way or this way. I don't know which. You can't read the words. It doesn't matter, it just adds texture. And then this is a strip of designer paper and a sticker put down on white. A good friend reaches for your hand and touches your heart. And then just some flowers, and I think the last butterfly, yep, and a little polished pink bow. And lastly, back to the soft succulent. I was going to texture this, and I thought, well, I want to put this down on the cardstock, and I don't know if it'll stick if I texture it, so I didn't. More of the designer paper, cut 5 1/4 by, I think, 2. This was the last flower from that one pack, and I just put it on a little scrap I had here of basic white, so I didn't throw that out. And then this was from the other pack of the sentiments. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. I think that's a cute one. I kind of wish I had a whole set that said that, and not some of the other sentiments maybe. And then I did use 3 soft succulent gems, and like a basic white twine, which Stampin' Up! Sells now as part of a combo pack, but honestly I'm still using the one from the snail mail. So those are my 7 cards for the stickier side of crafting. I didn't do a whole lot this month again, and just really, I struggle with this collab. Even though I have a ton of stickers, I just don't feel like I know what to use with this, or to make with the stickers that I have. So I'm trying, but I'm not 100% there with what I have been doing. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please go check everyone else out in the collab, because I know they come up with a lot more creative things than I do. And we will see you again next month on the 27th. I can't believe it'll be August then already. At the end of August too, by the time that one goes up. And we're almost to the end of the year when you think of it that way. Alright everyone, have a great week, and we'll see you again later. Bye for now.